JBL has once again raised the bar in the smart speaker industry with its latest innovation. The company recently unveiled its new line of smart speakers under the JBL Authentics brand, and what sets these speakers apart is their unique and groundbreaking support for both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. This marks a significant milestone, as these speakers are the first from Harman, JBL's parent company, to seamlessly integrate both of these voice assistants into a single device. The announcement took place at the IFA 2023 Berlin, where JBL showcased a range of impressive products, including the standout JBL Authentic smart speakers. These speakers boast a charming retro-style appearance that harks back to classic aesthetics, yet they are packed with cutting-edge technology. The lineup consists of 3 models: the JBL Authentics 200, the portable Authentics 300, and the high-end Authentics 500. These models cater to different preferences and needs, with prices ranging from $329 to $699. What truly sets these smart speakers apart is their seamless integration of both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. Unlike many other smart speakers on the market that require users to choose one voice assistant over the other, the JBL Authentic speakers allow users to switch between Alexa and Google Assistant without any hitches. This impressive feat is particularly noteworthy, considering that even the latest Sonos speakers lack this dual voice assistant support. The integration of 2 of the most prominent voice assistants, each backed by tech giants Amazon and Google, respectively, is a notable achievement. Historically, Google and Amazon have been fierce competitors in the tech space, making cooperation between the two a rarity. However, the JBL Authentic smart speakers seem to mark a departure from this stance, demonstrating that innovation can bridge gaps and lead to unexpected partnerships. The seamless integration of Alexa and Google Assistant on the JBL Authentic speakers is made possible through the Multi-Agent Experience Max toolkit. This toolkit facilitates a harmonious collaboration between the 2 independent voice assistants, ensuring that they can work together smoothly. Additionally, the speakers feature advanced audio-focused software that prevents both assistants from speaking simultaneously, thereby avoiding any confusion or conflicts. Beyond their groundbreaking voice assistant integration, the JBL Authentic smart speakers offer a range of premium functionalities. They support Dolby Atmos technology, delivering an immersive audio experience that brings sound to life from all directions. The speakers also feature Bluetooth, Ethernet, and Wi-Fi connectivity options, ensuring versatility in how users connect and stream their favorite content. Moreover, this innovation aligns well with the growing trend of interoperability and collaboration among tech companies. By supporting both Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant, JBL is contributing to a more open ecosystem, where different platforms can work together for the benefit of users. This approach marks a step towards overcoming the traditional silos that have existed in the tech industry, and embracing a more user-centric approach to technology. The availability of the JBL Authentic smart speakers in Europe and America on September 15th and 17th respectively is sure to generate excitement among consumers. The European and American markets have been at the forefront of smart home adoption, and the introduction of a product that bridges the gap between 2 major voice assistants is likely to be well received. For those eager to get their hands on these innovative speakers, purchasing from JBL's official website is just the beginning. The availability of the product through other sales outlets in the subsequent days ensures that a wide range of consumers will have access to this cutting-edge technology, making it easier for them to enhance their smart home setups. I am very glad to see you on my channel. If you have any questions, I will expect them in the comments. Have a good day, and God bless you.